What's going on YouTube? It's your boy O.E. Richie. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? And today we finna be buying my first dirt bike ever. My first ever pit bike. It should be pulling up any second, any minute. And we finna go outside and check it. They wanted 400 for it. But I said 450 because, you know, they pulled up on you, boy. You know what I'm saying? So, I'll catch y'all. My first pit bike from the SSR 110. Facebook Market. Nice. You think I can switch the tires like 17, 14?
Yeah.
They should be able to fit, right?
Yeah, it should. Like I said, all you have to do is just put them on there and see. It shouldn't be that hard. Like I said, I just left it stock the way it is.
Right.
I didn't mess with it. Well, this the bike, SSR 110cc. You know what I'm saying? He taught me how to ride it.
Pause.
This is my first dirt bike, by the way. Sold it to me for like 400.
What? What the?
Shit crazy. But I'm gonna take this bitch for a test spin, ride back and forth. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Get a little closer now. Get a little. I sweat it big. First strike. This shit is not a limit.
Sensational.
That bitch done. Yeah, that shit crazy. That shit crazy, man. That be crazy. That be crazy.
Well, as you can see, that's the end of the video. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Y'all can comment, tell me what was wrong with the bike, because honestly, I wouldn't know. This is my first dirt bike ever, first pit bike or whatever. But I am going to upgrade the tires soon, get another air filter. It's a 110cc. I might switch the engine, but I might not. But I might sell it, you know what I'm saying? I fell out 3 times already. I fucking broke the clutch. Like, look at my leg. Leg on swole. That's it for the video, guys. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe, like, comment. Did for more content. Y'all comment what y'all want me to buy. I might buy a 4-wheeler this time. Who knows? But yeah, that's the end of the video. Peace.